Guys, stay tuned. There could be another McKenzie baby on the way. June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Another Paris.
Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back sa channel natin. Today is... Today is the day... Huy! Kulungo mo ganyan akong... Uyab guys, ay. It is Friday the 30th of June. So ilang araw din ako hindi nakapag-vlog guys. We are going to Byron Bay again. So, remember 2 months ago, pumunta kami na whole family. We stayed there for a few days. And this time, gusto kasi ng mama na Daddy Mike na pumunta doon. Kasi, never pa siya nakapunta doon. So, gusto niya i-experience. So, ngayon ay nag-skincare lang ako, guys. Kaya tingnan niyo ang aking... tingnan niyo ang aking forehead. Parang matugpahan sa aeroplano. So, naglagay na ako ng... Oh, gumagamit ako ulit ng ano, guys. First time today actually. Yung Skin Magical ba para sa aking melasma. So first time, ngayong umaga lang start ako. Tapos ito ang aking sunscreen. Kaya tingnan nyo ang aking mukha ay sobrang pwede magpirituhan. Hindi kasi yung lighting din guys, it makes it worse. Ayan. I'm just gonna do my makeup quickly while putting everything away. Tapos yung mama niya nagre-ready pa naman. So
a few moments later.
Time check guys, it's nearly 11 o'clock. And ready na si mami nyo. Yung mga kids ay nabihisan ko na rin. We will just do their hair.
And guys, do you know what? We are going to Byron Bay.
Yay!
Mommy.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh gosh! Ito ay lahat didi na.
Right
My
now.
goodness. So, ngayon kami aalis guys kasi nap time ni Baby Celine. So, it's a 2-hour drive. We'll make sure na nap time ni Baby Celine para makatulog siya sa sasakyan and smooth lang ang ating pagbiyahe. Kasi I remember, nung last na pupunta yung mami niya dito, pupunta kami ng, saan kami pupunta nun? Sunshine Coast. Tapos si Celine ay payak-iyak. But Celine is getting better now.
And guys, I want to show you some stuff I'm gonna bring today.
What are you bringing? What are you bringing? Tatali ko lang yung buhok nila guys and then we are all done. So nag-hat.
Oh,
Kasi everywhere ang aking buhok, my goodness.
so guys, this is my pencil.
Tingnan niyo ang kanyang ginawa.
This is some picture.
Sure.
This is some picture frames for us. Okay, I got me too. My fellow.
Okay. Siya yung nag-draw guys. Tingnan niyo. Paris, Byron Bay. That looks like cute.
I just do myself brain.
Buti na rin itong nagdidi ngayon. Oh, para diretso na mamaya. Tulog.
And I also made this frame.
Very nice.
And I bring some books that I might read. Little Red Riding Hood, I read this last week.
Tell Tita and Tito who bought you that.
Lola Karen.
Yung ating pa-outfit guys today. Super nice ng araw. Meron pala akong blazer ha. Ito lang yung ano karon ngayon kasi very warm sa sasakyan. So, jeans lang ako guys. Yeah. Tapos, in-straight ko lang ang aking hair. Come, ate! Nasya ba? Your outfit. Come in! Come in! So, this is Ate Paris' outfit today. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. And Selena's outfit. Me. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys.
Rabbits.
Oh, that's... I love you. Can we check the mailbox, please? Ha? Hinihintay lang namin si Daddy Mike tsaka si, lola nila guys. May kinuha lang sa taas. Tapos, alis na kami kasi paiyak-iyak mo rin si baby silly natin guys. Baby, show mama. Is that for mama?
I see once again the hole.
Well, if the key worked, then that would be it. Looks like it. Look, that is there. Nini girls! So, dito na kami guys. Dito kami mag-stay for the next few days. Yes, anak? Yeah, we'll go there later. So, meron silang pool. Tsaka, anong tawag dyan guys? Spa. Wait, we have to go into our house first. Come on! Itong batang ito. Nakatulog the whole way.
It's okay. Mermaids will be so.
Okay, let's go. Daddy's there now. Come on. Oh. Okay, yeah, here you go. Here you go. So you can use both keys for 4A and B. That can't be. Finally, nakarating din kami guys. Nahanap din namin. Where's Mama's phone lang? Yeah. Share with Celine, please. So, bubaba lang si Daddy Mike tsaka si mama niya para pick upin yung mga bags pa namin sa baba. And yeah, we're finally here. Although, I'm so sad. I'm so worried. So, I remember 2 months ago, nung nag-holiday din kami dito sa Byron Bay, yung the same day talaga guys, yung pagdating namin dito, nag-labor yung sister ko, diba? Tapos, kung napanood nyo yung vlog ko noon, nagka-complicate, kailangang ECS, and also, that first day of our holiday here, I was not very happy kasi parang nag-worry ako ba. Tapos ngayon guys, alam niyo ba? Like, so, kausap ko lang yung mama ko kanina. And, it's been 2 months now since nanganak yung sister ko. And, she hasn't been really well after nung panganak niya. Like, always siyang may lagnat, always masakit yung likod niya, yung sa tagiliran niya. So, she has been like taking medications. Pero, it got worse. It's getting worse. So, I've been telling them na pumunta na ng ospital kasi nga, hindi yan mawawala sa milagro ba? Maghihintay ka ng milagro na nandyan ka lang sa bahay and she's not well. Kahit hindi nga siya nagpapadede ng anak niya kasi nga hindi maganda yung pakiramdam niya. Always siyang natutulog. So, sinasabihan ko sila na dalhin nyo na sa ospital. So, last week, pumunta sila ng ospital. Timing naman na nung nandun sila, yung ospital na malapit sa amin, sabi sa kanila na wala daw lab para mag-check ng dugo tsaka yung ihi niya. So, sinabi sa kanya na balik na lang sa Monday kasi Friday sila pumunta. Ngayon, she felt a bit better during that weekend. So, hindi na siya bumalik guys. Kasi sabi niya, akala niya okay na siya. Bumalik na siya sa pag-live kasi nagla-live selling siya ba? Pang hanap buhay. And, few days ago, she's back at it again guys. And, it makes me so upset kasi kailangan pa talagang maghintay ng umabot na ganito para magpa-check sa doktor. And I totally understand guys kasi alam niyo naman sa Pilipinas na kailangan talaga yung financial pag doktor na yung pinag-uusapan. It's really sad. But ngayon, yun nga, kinausap ko yung mama ko at yung sabi, nandun sila sa hospital ngayon, sabi ng doktor, it's not looking good. Kailangan siyang i-admit for 7 days. At least 7 days para ma-monitor siya. So now, guys, my head is somewhere else. At hindi ako makapag-ano dito. I don't know. What's this? Careful.
What? There's more stairs?
Yeah. Very slippery, isn't it? Careful, ate, please. So, dyan sila. Mama niya tsaka si Ate Paris.
There's another bed.
Yeah, that's where Mommy and Daddy's gonna sleep, and Celine. And you and Lola Karen will sleep down there. Whoa.
There's a couch and a balcony again.
Again?
There's another balcony.
Wow. Oh, cool. This is nice. But
Mine is a lamp.
oh, this bed looks comfortable.
Mine.
There's another balcony here. May balcony din sa baba, guys. Kung saan si, Mama.
My lucky I have the small
Oh
ones.
my God. Seriously, guys, ang timing ng panahon ba?
I'm going on.
Sobrang
Yeah.
Kapag talaga may mga ganito ba, holiday,
Skip.
merong nangyayari.
Wait.
But I'm really hoping, guys, na
Yeah. There we go.
careful ha. But I'm really hoping, guys, na magiging okay na yung sister ko, guys. Kasi I can't even imagine kung ano yung
Mine.
nafe-feel niyang sakit.
Mine.
Kasi alam niyo naman, guys, gaano kami ka close, right? Yes, Ana.
Are you crying because you think your sister's gonna die?
Oh, no. Honey. And hindi ko siya nakakausap palagi kasi palagi siyang natutulog, guys.
Oh, yung
Kasi nga hindi maganda ang kanyang pakiramdam. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, infection yan talaga. Walang ibang dahilan yan kundi infection kasi pabalik-balik yung kanyang lagnat. Help her lang.
Oh, pull her out. What? So, ilang?
Ngayon, so sabi nga ng doktor, pa-admit ka at least 7 days para ma-monitor. So ngayon, ayaw niyang magpa-admit, guys. Kasi yun na nga, alam ko naman, naiintindihan ko naman, guys, kung bakit talaga siya hindi magpa-admit. Kasi last time, nung nandun sila, nung na-admit nga siya, diba, nung nag-CS siya, sobrang mahal lang binayaran, guys. And yun nga sabi ko, hanapan niya ng paraan, pa-admit yan siya. Uy, Diyos ko, Lord. Alam niyo, parang na-trauma ako, guys. Kasi sa mga matagal na nating manonood dyan, yung sister-in-law ko din. Pero iba yung sa kanya. Kasi yung sa kanya, so, yung acute na yung kidney niya ba, hindi na mag-function. So, kasi nga, dun din, hindi ba na diretso ba yung pagkaano sa hospital? Wala, guys. Year 20...
My cake was truck.
2020?
It's too hard.
Yeah, I lost my sister-in-law. So, parang naanohan ako pag ito yung mga pangyayari, guys.
Wait, have some.
Up! At the same time, I'm trying na din ba kasi I'm here with my family din. Yung mga kids. Kung down ako dito, guys, kawawa naman yung mga kids, diba? So, I'll try my very best na ko yung feelings ko ba. Kasi, nandito ako physically. So, girls.
Anna.
Where's Elsa?
Anna.
You Elsa?
I'm going downstairs.
You have to wait for Mama. Baby, can you keep an eye on Celine? I'll just go to the toilet quickly. Is that okay? Yes, princess. Oh, no. Can you keep an eye on her? Just make sure she won't jump. I'm just gonna wee, okay? So, it's currently 2:30 ng hapon. Alis na kami kasi hindi pa kami kumain, guys. Kain muna kami. So, pupunta kami doon sa town center. What do you think we should eat, Daddy?
I don't know, maybe some cafe food or some fish and chips or some shit. I think it's daytime, yeah?
Yeah.
Mama.
Are you... I got this way.
Sorry, I'm just looking at your susus.
Are you happy we're back in
Byron Bay.
Byron Bay again?
Yes, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I'm in Queensland, Australia. Actually, I'm in New South Wales at the moment. But yes, I'm very happy to be living in Queensland, Australia.
No, I asked you if you're happy you're back in Byron Bay, Bob.
No, because it's like I'm very happy to be in the sunny tropics of Australia. You know, right now it's winter and it's 20 degrees and there is not one cloud in the sky.
Yeah, I know.
And that is what I'm happy about.
Do you think it's gonna be the same tomorrow?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be cloudy tomorrow, supposed to be. But guys, stay tuned. There could be another McKenzie baby on the way. Stay tuned.
Kulungo mo na siya, guys, eh. Kulungo.
It's June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Another Paris. Another Paris.
Buwang na siya, guys. Taka sa iyang ko. Uy! What do you think you're doing? That's for poo-poo, that's right. Put it back, please. Can you close the door too? We gotta go because Mama's so hungry enough.
Yeah, let's go. I don't like wasting days. Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Welcome back to Byron Bay, Paris. We are going to walk, guys. Malapit lang naman. So yung inistayhan namin last time, just across the road eh. So hindi siya malayo. Alam niyo ba, business is life din si mami niyo, guys. Nandito yung bag na nabenta ko. I have to take it to the post office kasi nag-promise ako sa bumili kahapon.
You want to wake up at 5 or 6 and have last time.
Okay. I'm going away to the post office. And I was so anxious. After the post office.
Oh, so you're posting it to us?
Some late lunch. Let's drink this up.
Oh, is that what I had, Bob?
Yeah.
When we went to see
Yeah.
Tasmania? Oh, we got music on.
Dance.
It's not bad.
Oh, what is that?
Wine.
What the next?
Taste if you want wine.
Oh, give it a go.
I don't like sweet. I like it a bit tart.
Okay.
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 I don't know. Woohoo! Is that the margarita?
Yeah.
Oh wow, just cheese. Yum. Nami. Do you want some cheese? Pizza?
You don't get a plate. You straight off the board.
You can taste some of mine too. I've got
You're doing a better job.
same as
Tapos lang namin kumain, guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa beach. Ang daming tao dito, ha? Yes, look.
Mama.
You wanna go inside? Look.
Look.
Oh, look, the water. Here.
It's yummy.
It's funny.
Your mommy.
Yes.
And daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Daddy parked your pram there. Oh. He's taking photos. Oh.
That's my dog.
Dama top. Namiss daddy may parang ano eh?
My daddy.
Correct.
My daddy.
Ay, daddy. Be careful. Nak, mamsa, wala yung buhok, nak.
Mama.
Yes? Where's daddy? Go follow daddy. Anak ko na yung lola o Paris.
Hi. Can I question?
yeah.
You don't have to, honey. Yeah, I can stay with the pram. Ang daming tao ngayon. Parang ano eh. Kahit winter Paano pa rin mga tao? Ganda ba yan?
Look how beautiful it is.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
You're not talking about me.
I thought you were talking about me. Ang ganda dito. Oh! Ang mga galis sa dagat. Allah, sige kamo. Pero sa Tipares, nakapaan na Stay here. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a rock. Yes, nanak yung buhok na sana na. Whee! Mini slide. Oh! Are you okay? Where's that thing? You saw her.
I can't see.
Daddy! Where's Daddy?
Hey!
Where is he? I can't see him.
You don't know.
Hot.
It's hot?
No,
Where?
hot.
Hot.
Daddy, it's in my arm.
Daddy. Put your carefully. Put your shoes on, anak. Bob. Ling. What's that?
Sandals.
That's a ball.
Oh, there you go. Salim.
That's you. Oscar.
What did you do? Hey, Ling. Come down. Give it to Mama, please. Enough cleaning now. I think you've done enough. Yes. Enough. We're taking Paris to bed now, guys. Dito sila sa baba with Lola Karen. Ito kami sa taas. Pag tingnan niyo ang ating baby sinin. Gaya-gaya po tumayo.
Carlos ati.
Carlos. Say good night, guys. Say no night, guys.
Good night, guys.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Good night, Paris.
Love you. Mwah.
Did you brush Paris and Steve Bob?
Guys, do what?
What?
It's very
You're idiots. You really are too. I'm really idiots.
It's light.
It's late now. I know. It's bedtime. We go to bed now. Okay?
And guys, do what?
Good night.
So tired.
You're so tired, yeah. Kasi pumunta sila ng swimming pool. Nag-spa sila ni Daddy Mike. Okay, bye guys. See you tomorrow.